and welcome to FOS-MOMENTS GIS tutorials, the second edition. Today we are learning how to open and save a map document. This is actually for beginners or those who are new to ArcMap. So we start by launching the ArcGIS software. I am using 10.6 here. I have the link down there so you can download and install or update your GIS software. Okay, so we have our software opened, and then we have some windows opened as well. We have the ArcMap getting started. So this is a new project we are going to do. So we start with a new map. We create a new ArcMap workspace. Here we have the blank map. So we have a new workspace. We start by saving our project. So to save our project, we come to File, come to Save As. Alright. And now I'm going to save it as ArcGIS Tutorial 2. Then I will look for my folder where I want it to be saved, and then I would save it there. It's in desktop. I have my ArcMap project. I have ArcMap tutorials too, so I will open it and then save it inside. Right, so now we can see it's reflecting on top here. It is saved as an ArcMap file. So it is always wise to or your project in a folder where you can easily remember or identify. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to add our map. Come to add data. Already I have connected the folder that we are going to use in our previous video, in our previous tutorial. So I'll just click on it and then select the various layers and add it to our workspace. Let's do a little editing and then save it. As I said earlier, today's tutorial is going to be brief. That is just for those who are new to ArcMap. So let's make the width 2 here, and then let's make a little changes to the city map. That is the boundary. We'll make it hollow, and then choose a visible color for it. Since it's the boundary, let's make it 3. Okay, and we have that as well. But we are going to leave the point features as it is. Okay, so let's assume I'm done with my editing, I'm done with everything that I'm supposed to do, and I'm going to save it. So to save it, we come to Save As. Sometimes you can decide to choose Save, which will automatically overwrite what you saved previously. Save and then overwrite it. Make sure we get the same thing as we saved earlier. But we can also check where the work was saved. So we come to Save As and then make sure that it is at the right place. So we have it here in ArcMap tutorials. We have our GIS tutorial 2 here. So I can just click on it and then I'll say yes, I want to replace it. So I'll say yes, and our project is being saved. Thank you for your time, but make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos, and then also your comments are really needed. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.